Alright, let's see what RPM it does at 100 kilometers per hour. So that's 1500 and then that's 1750. So right now it's doing what? 1600 RPM, the same as the Fortuner, of course. Well, it's 1650. Yeah, 1650. That's if I remember correctly what the Fortuner does as well. Yes, 1650. Let's see if we can try $110. Are you serious? Even 110 is 1650? How is that possible? How is that possible? It's still 1650. Wow. Let's try 120. Okay, this is really... Alright, GoPro had switched off, so we'll have to start again. But since we've already seen what 100, 110, 120 is like, and let me show you something else as well. See, I'll just do this and it will take me up to 120. Who needs ADAS? In fact, we don't need ADAS in India, to be honest. Yes, I said that. We do not need ADAS in India. Our conditions just need good drivers. And guys, my GoPro keeps getting switched off, so I'll try to wind this up ASAP. From 30 kilometers per hour, it will take me to whatever speed I've set the cruise control for. In fact, what I'll do, I'll quickly go to 100 and 120 so that I'm able to conclude the video before my GoPro gives up again. So 120 is 17, so that's 1750, that mark. So it's, yeah, you can say it's 1750, 1760. Yeah, let me bring it down to 100 again. Thankfully GoPro is working, Okay, it should settle down to 1650. Yes sir. So that's 1500, 16. Oh, it has come down to 1600. Yes, 1600. And of course, you know, the level of essentially the road gradient also matters. So on an incline, the revs would climb a bit. On a decline, the revs would go down. So that's absolutely natural. So yeah, so you can say that yes, 1650 is what it does at 100 kilometers per hour. Let's again take it to 110. And yeah, this is lovely. See, such a big engine, okay, and it maintains 1650 rpm, okay, at 100, at 110 kilometers per hour. Brilliant, brilliant Toyota, brilliant. Can I see what it is like at 90 and 80? Don't come in my lane, please don't come in my lane. So, okay, it is maintaining 1600 rpm. Alright, let's see if it goes below that. Oh, thankfully my GoPro is working, GoPro is working. 1600 rpm. Let's see what 80 is like. $80 is 1400 rpm. 1400 rpm. Yes guys, so now you know the cruising speed rpm of the Toyota Hilux, and I hope you like the video. Do hit that like button and do subscribe as well if you haven't already, and do not hit that button twice. And do leave a comment. I will see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, it downshifted, because there's an incline. I'll quickly just keep it on for the next 30 more seconds and see if it shifts up the moment we descend. Yes sir, 1400 rpm. This feels like 60. The advantage of a big engine. A big engine makes the vehicle an effortless cruiser. So right now it could be less than even 1400. It could be like what, 1350 or 1380. It's 1400 rpm. Alright guys, bye bye, see you soon.